The top ballroom dance styles, a quick overview for beginners. There is a lot of ballroom dance styles. As much as professional ballroom dancers would say that there are only 10 recognized types, one cannot deny that other styles exist. In the cruel world of today, why discriminate when it comes to dancing? Surely, those who are not that familiar with these dances will agree with us when we say that a style of dance is considered as such as long as it is done with a partner. On the other hand, some people might not agree because when it comes to ballroom dancing, it should adhere to the standards that were set. Whether you belong in the dance's dance group or dance has a set of standards group, we are going to look at the most popular ballroom dancing styles. At the same time, we are going to discuss how they differ from one another. Before we talk about each ballroom dance style, let us first discuss the two acceptable styles. The first one is the International Standard Style, and the other one is the Latin Dance Style. More than that, the International Standard Style is divided into two groups when we are talking about the American International Standard Style. For the International Standard Style, the dances that are included are the waltz, tango, foxtrot, Viennese waltz, and quickstep. As for the Latin dance style, it has the cha-cha, samba, rumba, paso doble, and jive. The American style has an American rhythm section which includes cha-cha, rumba, swing, bolero, and mambo. Further, there is also American smooth that has waltz, foxtrot, tango, and Viennese waltz. Those are some of the most popular ballroom dance styles. They only differ in counts, shapes, and strides. However, just like any ballroom style, you have to master the basic steps for you to really see how each style is so different from the other. Take your pick and dance. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more dance tips, subscribe to the channel.